Simon goes out onto the drag strip to sign on and check out the competition.
Oh, then I'll sign on. You be careful. Sign your name on there, thanks. No, you can see it. I have to stick it on the back. Never mind. Up the right way though, Simon. Yeah. Oh, we're all ready. Just gonna go and get my lid now.
Drag strip essentials are a tarmac strip at least 1/4 of a mile long, a timing system and riders. The timing system consists of a series of light beams and photoelectric cells. The lights shine into the cells and create a circuit. When the bike breaks a beam, a signal is sent to the timing clocks. These start and stop the clocks and measure terminal speed.